Okay, what we're going to do now, we're going to create a new menu as a sample menu. We're going to call it a demo sample, and we're going to do this in our desktop.
And it is for poll audits.
Okay. Okay, we've got two screens here, a report screen, which is imported jobs, and we've got a deployment screen, which has got all your art tools on the left, as well as a set of fields, which you can minimize or maximize. Okay, so we're going to create a new form. I'm going to open an existing one, a generic poll audit menu which we've used, and we're going to look at the different attributes. Okay, so we can drag and drop any of these functions in here as we want to, and delete them as we want to. So we'll leave these ones here for now. These attributes are the outputs that will be generated into the CSV file. And as you can see, there are quite a few of them. We can add and subtract dates, times, image file names, GPX, latitude, the longitude. We'll just leave it like that for now. We can also change the description in the title and the description of the image. We can change the little icon to whatever we want to, and we can specify whether that particular item is mandatory or not. So we go onto the label, and we can choose a label. Possibly we might use, for instance, the prefix of the line name. We'll call it KKT, and we can make it mandatory or non-mandatory. We can set the default value. We can call it KKT, and we can say maybe the same as last time. We can go to comments, and we can say we want a non-mandatory comment, and so forth. We can also use any of these field functions here. We can add a yes/no function. We can call it poll condition. We can call it mandatory, and we can default value yes. We can make a default to yes.
Yeah, the default value yes can be used for the poll condition if it's good, for example.
Yeah. Okay. We can have a list. And we can call it, for instance, top. And we can put the items in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And we can make that mandatory. We can even put in audio. Okay. If we put that in as mandatory, it will bring up a little screen asking you to talk, which is handy if you've discovered errors or faults on a poll which you haven't got a free range comment place. Okay, and you can also move these things around in the menu. Anything else now you can think of that you can do?
Not really.
Maybe if someone wants to do a measurement, for instance, a span out, we put a span height in there, and we leave it not mandatory, and let's just call it span height call it height violation. Okay, and we can select the items we want here. All this will go into the CSV file. Okay, we've got enough for an example here now. And we'll call this, what shall we call it? Pole audit demo. Okay, then we've got a Bluetooth connection to the unit at the moment. So we just go deploy form, and that's it. I think that covers everything now with regards to the little demo setting up the menus. And in the next video we'll do the actual in-field capturing.
Yeah, this was all done in the Arc desktop software.
Yeah. Thanks.